just check my bank account and I'm good. I'm flexing, yeah, cause my singles going off in my hood. I'm flexing, yeah, everywhere I go, you know it's all love. I'm flexing.
Yo, what's good, Crazy Nation? It's your boy Espy of the Crazy. You know what it is, I'm back again with another reaction. This is to NCT Wish, Songbird, Korean version. Let's get it, let's go!
Feels good. 0, 1, 2, 3,
Wait a moment, 흥얼거리는 멜로디 가벼워진 채 going down, going down. 맑게 불이 듬고 여러 닫힌 문 넘어 세상 날개를 펼쳐 더 높이 가난 걸음에 잠긴 your heart.
Real?
네 어깨 위에서 보고 싶은 꿈 어디든 갈게 we fly. Let's fly.
Hey.
하늘을 넘어 fly up high. 함께라면 그 속 있어 anywhere. Let's fly. 이 너의 멈추지 않아. Sing the melody again.
That was cold. That was cold.
Dreaming big, edge wish, 기다려왔어 또 show, we just getting started. 불어오는 바람을 타고 step, 여러 색으로 반진 뒤, 저 너와 내 목소리가 울려 퍼져 영원히. Yeah, 춤은 저 밤이 새도록 위다, song on repeat. 적은 이성 가까이, 꽉진 그 손 한 깊이 your heart. 네 어깨 위에서 보고 싶은 꿈 어디든 갈게 we fly. Let's fly. 하늘을 넘어 fly up high.
Interesting. This is an interesting song. I don't know how to feel about this song, but like I don't know what to say. It's interesting though. Sounds to me like they're different from other NCT groups. They remind me a bit of NCT Dream. A bit. I feel like they're a mixture of all of them combined. That's what it feels like. It feels like they're a mixture of all of them combined. If you know what I mean. Like the production feels a lot of NCT. Is it NCTU mixed with like NCT 127 type production? But it's interesting. It's different. It's very unique. More on bright teen pop side. Yeah, yeah. It's very interesting. It's very different. I feel like this is their competition. Like this feels like the competition of them and to us. Pretty much.
Sing for you.
Hey.
Give me some.
Hey, nice choreo.
Alright, come on.
Oh, wish becoming reality just as you think. Ooh. Yeah, I love that slowdown as well. I love the slowdown. I love what they did with the, you know, when they sing the melody again, that part, that was really cool. It's cool. I like it. It's very different. It's very unique.
Little songbird, little songbird.
Hey.
Yeah, little songbird. Sing the melody again now.
Ooh, nice. Cool. I like it. I like it a lot. It's like B&D style, but run through the NCT complex production. Yeah, I like it. I like that it's different. I like that it's got its own flavor, you know? And one thing about NCT production is NCT's production is always top tier. That's one thing NCT never have a problem with is their production. Their production's always creme de la creme. So I'm not surprised. One thing about SM groups is that they are distinct to each other in terms of sound and concept, but still have the SM formula, which is the members' vocal harmonization. Facts. That's facts. That is very true. Every SM group has vocal harmonization. It's ridiculous. That's one thing that makes every SM group stand out. I like it. I like it. Like, I don't know what to say. I don't really have enough to say to like break it down, but from what I saw, I really enjoy it. You know what I mean? Yeah, group to watch, 100%. They're a group that like we've said that the last 3 songs though. I remember we liked the first song. We liked the first song a lot. I remember the debut. The debut was sick. And then the second song, I remember I said the exact same thing. That I was like, yeah, this group is a group to watch. I might have to check out one of their albums because they're being pretty consistent. Very consistent. So I'm keen. I'm keen to check out more of this group and understand more about them. But yeah, that's all we're gonna say. That's all we're gonna say. I like it and I'm intrigued. I'm intrigued to see more. But yeah, that's all I'm gonna say. So if y'all like this, give this a thumbs up. None of that. Comment if you want to see more. Subscribe and remember, keep living a great life and stay blessed. Peace. Laters. Whoop.